Press this spot and you will poop immediately. We all know that it can be very unpleasant when you can't go to the bathroom, especially when you have the urge to poop, but you can't. You should be very careful because this can be very serious health problem. And you've probably tried many different and popular reliefs, stool cleanses, softener, fiber, pooping position and detoxification, but none of them gave you the desired effect. But you shouldn't be worried because there is a better technique that will definitely help you and you won't have to worry about anything because this method is completely safe and without any side effects. You've probably noticed that there is a small stretch of skin between the anus and your private part. This part is called perineum. Well, the perineum has a pressure point which when you massage it, it can ease up constipation, as the Journal of General Internal Medicine claims. There are many different people around the world who suffer from constipation, and according to the latest statistics 1 in 5 persons suffer from constipation, and women are more affected than men. You should also know that pregnant women can use this technique, and it's completely safe. This method will help them relax and prepare the area. This massage relaxes the bowel as well. Constant massage will help you and soften and break the stool. The medical experts claim that this technique is much more effective than laxatives body workouts. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.